Hi, my name is Peter Davis. I'm a consultant working for HEARINGLife, and I'd just like to answer some general questions with regards to hearing loss and audiology. A question we often get asked is, how does noise affect your hearing? Or can it affect your hearing? Well, of course, if you're subjected to loud noise over a long period of time, this can, of course, affect the hearing loss. Because quite often people who, for example, work in a factory environment with no ear protection over many years, quite often we find that they do have what we call a high frequency hearing loss. Now, when we lose our hearing in the high frequencies, it does affect the clarity of sound, especially the clarity of speech. For example, people tend to get the consonant sounds mixed up, and they tend to misinterpret words. And this is all an effect of having a high frequency hearing loss. If you require any further information, please refer to HEARINGLife at hearinglife.com.au.